Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. So today I will show you how I do my nails at home. This time for my nails I am using Polygel nail kit from MODELONES. This is how this kit looks like from the outside. I will put the link in the description box below because you have everything what you need for your nails in this kit. Here I have brush for polygel nails, also nail forms for my gel nails, and you can use these nail forms so many times. And also I have nail file, base coat, top coat, and I have this liquid that is something like an alcohol. I think you can use an alcohol instead of that if you don't have that liquid. Also I have this clear polygel and soft pink polygel. Also I have the instructions, and this is really helpful because here you have how to apply polygel nails, and the box is really cute. And also they sent me this small UV LED lamp. So first I apply a thin layer of base coat and I let it dry in the lamp for 1 minute. This lamp is small, but it's also cute, and it works really well. So this time I decided to use this soft pink polygel, and now I'm trying to find my size of nail forms. Your size of nail forms is just a little bit bigger than your nail. So now I'm using this brush. I put it in liquid, and then using the other side of the brush I'm taking a little bit of polygel and I put it on nail form, and I brush the gel inside of nail form, and I make sure that I cover the sides with the gel as well. Then I simply put the nail form on my nail and press it lightly. If a little bit of polygel comes out, you can clean it with that same brush. And then I put my nail in the lamp and I let it dry for 120 seconds from the surface and 120 seconds from the underside. But before I put my nails in the lamp, I brush a little bit the underside of my nails also. Now let's see how my nail looks like when I take off the nail form. It's amazing. Isn't it amazing, guys? So look at this. As simply as that. So I do the same with all of my nails. So using these nail forms you can get that perfect C shape easily. Then I file my nails a little bit on the edges just to make them perfect. And this nail file, I must tell you, this nail file is amazing also. It's so easy to file your nails with this nail file. At the end, I'm putting a little bit of decoration on my nails. So first I put a little bit of base coat on the nail where I want to put these zircons, and I put zircons and I let it dry in the lamp for 60 seconds. Then I take a top coat and I put it on my nails and let my nails dry for 60 seconds in lamp. And that's it, guys. As simply as that. these nails are quick, easy. I think anyone can do this at home, guys. And this is my final result. Guys, tell me in comments, do you like my nails? I think they are perfect. I love my nails, and thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and see you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.